Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the world of pool maintenance with the Clorox Pool&Spa Shock Extra Blue. If you're looking for the best shock treatment for your pool, look no further. The Clorox Pool&Spa Shock Extra Blue is a powerhouse in pool maintenance. Designed to kill bacteria and algae, it ensures your pool water remains crystal clear. What sets it apart? Let's dive into the details. This shock treatment offers a 6-in-1 formula, tackling bacteria, algae prevention, and enhancing filter performance. It's fast dissolving, allowing you to swim in just 15 minutes after treatment. Safe for all pool surfaces: vinyl, plaster, fiberglass, and tile. It's versatile and effective. Use 1 lb. per 12,000 gallons of water weekly or after heavy use, high temperatures, or rain. Users rave about its ease of use and effectiveness. It's rated highly for maneuverability, sheerness, and longevity, making it a favorite among pool owners. An added bonus is the Clorox Pool app, offering expert pool maintenance advice and personalized product recommendations right at your fingertips. In conclusion, the Clorox Pool&Spa Shock Extra Blue stands out as the top choice for pool shock treatments. Whether you're a seasoned pool owner or just starting out, its reliability and performance make it a must-have. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. See you next time.